Hey everyone, welcome and thank you for taking the time to be here. Today, we're going to do something completely different from what you might be used to seeing in trading webinars. No hype, no vague promises, and definitely no cherry-picked trades, just full transparency. Instead of showing a handful of impressive-looking results or a carefully edited backtest, I'm going to show you exactly how Nova Grid trades. You are going to witness 60 straight days of untouched, fully automated trading, hundreds of scalps, with a win rate above 90%. And this isn't during calm or low volatility conditions. This was during July and August of 2025, two of some of the most statistically volatile months of the year. All trades in this demonstration were executed during the New York and Asia session from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for the New York session and 6:15 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time for the Asia session. These specific windows were chosen because it's when volatility begins to stabilize after the morning open, liquidity is deep, spreads are tighter, and price action is more structured, the perfect conditions for Nova Grid's logic to operate with maximum efficiency. So while Nova can run 100% hands-free and does have an exceptionally high win rate, especially when quickly scalping, we don't advise letting it trade unattended long-term. The best results come when traders use it as a guided automation tool, where you set your structure, define your session windows, monitor major events, and let Nova execute with precision inside those boundaries. This is a tool designed to enhance your consistency, not replace your awareness. Think of it as a professional co-pilot. It can handle the controls, but you still need to steer the flight plan. And while I'll be showing this particular setup, it's important to note that many other members are seeing comparable results across different instruments, time frames, and contract sizes. Nova Grid adapts to the trader, not the other way around. Some members are more risk-averse, focusing on consistent, steady growth in personal cash accounts. Others are using Nova Grid to pass prop firm evaluations efficiently by leveraging its precision and consistency. And some traders with larger capital allocations deploy higher contract sizes to fully utilize its scaling logic and capitalize on market momentum. It all comes down to the trader's goals, experience, and overall trading strategy. For this demo, we'll see it running short-term scalps on MNQ. 30 ticks, fast entries, fast exits. This setup is great for traders who like active management and multiple opportunities per session. The key there is speed and precision, using the quant bars to identify clean rotations and letting Nova handle the execution. But you can also stretch that logic out. Instead of aiming for 30-tick pops, you can scale Nova to capture full intraday rotations between Fibonacci zones or institutional levels. Nova Grid is designed to fit seamlessly into each of those profiles. In this example, I'll be showing what's possible using just 3 micro contracts with 1 scale-in option and a maximum of 4 trades per session. This setup is designed for the risk-conscious trader, someone who values control, precision, and structured exposure. And for this showcase, I'm using one of our most successful, rigorously tested strategies running on our proprietary quant bars. These bars are engineered to capture the market's true rhythm, filtering out noise and delivering a cleaner, data-driven structure that lets Nova Grid execute with remarkable precision and consistency. Now let me make one thing clear. This is not an ATM machine. It's not a get-rich-quick system, and it's certainly not one of those plug-and-play bots that promise the world and deliver nothing. Nova Grid was engineered for serious traders, those who understand that consistency comes from structure, data, and discipline. It's a system built on adaptive logic, risk management, and real-world results, not hype. We understand that this trading style isn't for everyone, and that's okay. Not every trader wants to run structured, data-driven, automated systems like Nova Grid AI, and that's perfectly fine. Our goal isn't to convince everyone to trade our way. Our goal is to build professional-grade tools for the traders who already understand structure, discipline, and probability, and want to take that to the next level with AI and quantitative precision. So if this trading style doesn't fit your personality or routine, that's totally fine. But for those who want a systematic, rule-based way to approach the market, that's exactly who AQA builds for. Welcome to the future of trading automation. This is AQA Nova Grid AI by Alpha Quant Algos, the next generation adaptive trading intelligence built for professional and retail traders, combining the precision of Fibonacci structure, the logic of grid-based range detection, and the adaptability of artificial intelligence. Nova Grid is designed to identify, execute, and manage trades with unmatched accuracy. Nova Grid is a quant-built trading system that evolves with the market. At its core, Nova Grid is an intelligent range and breakout engine. It measures the previous session's high and low, constructs dynamic Fibonacci and tick-based grids, and automatically identifies high-probability trade zones. Whether the market is trending, consolidating, or breaking out, NovaGrid reacts in real time, managing entries, scaling, and exits with precision. NovaGrid manages every session like a disciplined trader. You can set daily profit or loss thresholds, and Nova will automatically pause trading once your limits or goals are reached. The optimized grid scalping engine is where NovaGrid truly shines. It creates adaptive buy and sell zones that appear directly on your chart and shifts seamlessly between buy, sell, and wait states. Behind the scenes, it analyzes multiple data types, including RSI, MESA, MACD, stochastics, PPO, RVI, TRIX, and more, combining them into one unified confirmation model. The result is smarter trade timing, fewer false signals, and better performance in any market condition. Markets are never static, and neither is Nova's grid. You can choose from several adaptive range modes such as Fibonacci, steps, equal ticks, or ATR. The equal tick mode divides the daily range into perfectly balanced tick segments, allowing Nova to adapt automatically as volatility changes. Whether you trade time-based, tick, Renko, range, or volume charts, Nova adapts its intelligence to how the market moves, not just how the candles form. On time charts, it measures the high and low of each session, builds Fibonacci and tick-based grids, and reacts precisely as price interacts with each level. On Renko and range charts, Nova focuses purely on price action, creating clean, proportional grid levels that adjust automatically with each move. It filters noise, scales intelligently, and tracks structure in real time. Line break and Kagi charts reveal Nova's breakout and reversal logic. It recognizes structural shifts, recalculates Fibonacci zones, and aligns with trend direction automatically. For volume and AQA quant bars, Nova goes even further, reading volatility, order flow, and tick density to constantly rebalance its grid as market conditions change. The grid expands during volatility, tightens during calm, and trades with true market rhythm. No matter what chart you use, Nova doesn't just follow price, it understands its structure, its flow, and its intention. Every grid zone becomes a decision point. Every trade follows logic. This is AQA NovaGrid AI, adaptive, intelligent, and built to perform with precision on every chart type. Every trade in NovaGrid follows precise entry and exit logic. With tick-based front-running, you can target fills before retracements occur. The break-even system adjusts stops dynamically as profits grow, while the moving average exit logic closes trades when the trend loses momentum. You can also control how long orders remain active. Nova will automatically cancel unfilled trades after your chosen limit. An end-of-day cutoff ensures you never hold overnight positions beyond your defined time. True consistency in trading comes from discipline. That's why Nova includes built-in protection filters that maintain order and safety. Time filters prevent trades during low volume or high volatility news hours. The CSV date filter automatically blocks trading on specific days like holidays or major FOMC events. Day high-low guard prevents trades at exhausted price levels, and the slope filter ensures that every trade aligns with your chosen moving average direction. It's automation with human discipline built in. Scaling is at the heart of Nova's trade management system. As the market moves, Nova automatically adds scale-in positions, recalculating your average entry and adjusting the profit target dynamically. Once a predefined number of scale-ins occur, the system automatically shifts the target to break even, locking in safety. When moving averages cross, Nova intelligently manages exposure to keep your risk low and capital efficiency high. Testing, refinement, and confidence are essential to any strategy. NovaGrid includes a dedicated backtest mode that allows you to analyze performance across historical data with precision. Combine tick-based stops, custom range types, and CSV date filters for the most accurate, realistic testing experience possible. Successful traders follow structure, and Nova reinforces it. So why is NovaGrid AI so revolutionary? Because it merges the logic of a disciplined trader with the precision of an engineered system. Equal tick logic ensures adaptive structure, and its multi-data scalping engine integrates everything into a seamless, intelligent decision system. Every feature has one goal: smarter logic, cleaner execution, and better results. The journey doesn't end here. future releases of Nova Grid will introduce pattern recognition powered by machine learning, auto-template optimization, and adaptive reinforcement intelligence designed to learn from live market conditions. The mission is clear: to create the most intelligent, data-driven trading engine ever built. Whether you're an experienced professional or a new trader learning automation, Nova Grid AI is built to think, react, and adapt like a professional. Hope you enjoyed this breakdown. For more info on Nova Grid AI and all AQA products, head over to alphaquantalgos.com and feel free to join the AQA trading community, where you'll be able to interact with beginner traders all the way up to 6- and 7-figure traders directly on the AQA website, so no Discord required. But until next time, trade smart and stay disciplined.